At a recent EBD event aimed at facilitating international money transfers, Volante Technologies recognized the transformative potential of ripples for payment service providers. Also, what's taking so long to get a decision in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit? The SBI chairman also discussed Singapore's efforts to strengthen collaborations and enterprise blockchain, as well as the regulatory clearance of Ripple in concept. At the same time that most assets are seeing profit-taking transactions, XRP is experiencing some moderate capitulation. Does this, however, mean that XRP is more likely to stage a comeback? What if you stayed with me to the very end to find out? Welcome to our channel, where we discuss recent developments involving XRP and the cryptocurrency industry at large. If this is your first time seeing one of our videos, please accept our heartfelt greetings. A reliable cloud payments partner, Volante Technologies is well known for helping financial firms adapt quickly, and they confirm that Ripple presents a huge opportunity for PSPs. The Chief Marketing Officer of Volante Technologies, Vinay Brubaker, spoke highly of Ripple as a prominent participant in cloud payment processing during an EBD event when he gave his endorsement. You may recall that it was just recently made public that Ripple and XRP have been recognized by the International Monetary Fund as essential players in revolutionizing cross-border payment systems. An anonymous yet powerful member of the XRP community recently disseminated news of Volante Technologies' support for the cryptocurrency. To illustrate the disruptive potential of Ripple and GPI global payments innovation, the influencer tweeted a clip from an EBD event with a representative from Velocity Technologies. The Eurobanking Association, in cooperation with regional service providers, hosts the industry's top conference for payments and transaction banking professionals. The world's leading financial institutions register to participate. Industry leaders and banking executives gather at the EBD event to explore new developments and trends in the payments and transaction banking sectors. In addition to the rising acknowledgement of Ripple and GPI as game-changing solutions for payment service providers, the presence of prominent European and worldwide banks further emphasizes the relevance of the discussions. Don't miss out on being the first to know what's going on with XRP. Subscribe to our channel and enable push notifications now. Pro XRP. Attorney John Deaton provided new predictions about when the SEC versus Ripple summary judgment verdict would come in a crypto law program on Monday, as the cryptocurrency community awaits the result. The judge and Elisa Torres, according to Attorney Deaton, may issue their decision on September 6, 2023. Judge Torres's previous cases show that she has issued her summary judgment decisions within a few months of ruling on the Daubert or expert motions, and in one case, Deaton claims, the judge issued her summary judgment decision on the same day as her Daubert ruling. Deaton added that there were several instances after Judge Torres's Daubert ruling. Using a 6-month time limit and Judge Torres's March 6 findings on the Daubert motion and the Ripple case, she issued a summary judgment on March 6. According to Deaton, the summary judgment might be issued on September 6. In a previous case she had handled, the summary judgment was issued 6 months after the initial ruling. If her Daubert ruling was on March 6, then September 6 would be 6 months later. Judge Deaton made a statement that he has already addressed a potential ruling timeframe in the SEC versus Ripple case puts to rest rumors that this case is going longer than any other he has ruled over. It's important to note that certain members of the XRP community have voiced their displeasure with the judge's decision to delay the release of the summary judgment. In light of this new information, Attorney De remarked that Judge Torres may hold off on her decision because of the gravity of the SEC versus Ripple case. Deaton claims that Judge Torres recognizes the significance of the Ripple lawsuit. The judge in the Ripple case is aware that thousands of people, including appellate courts, will review her summary judgment decision, as Attorney Deaton pointed out. In addition, Judge Torres has a backlog of 500 cases. Deaton questioned the number of pending cases before Judge Torres. As of this morning's count, she is currently handling over 500 cases, 44 of which are felonies. Deaton added that Torres must sift through thousands of pages of SEC and Ripple documents. Ripple has submitted a move for summary judgment to the SEC. As a result, both parties moved for a summary judgment. Then, the opposing party raises an objection to the prevailing party's summary judgment motion, and the prevailing party responds to the opposing party's objection. You can see how complicated this may get from the summary judgment motions filed by Brad Garland House and Chris Larson, as well as the numerous judgments entered on behalf of the SEC and Ripple. Each of those briefs is, therefore, more than 50 pages. Therefore, there are literally hundreds of pages worth of arguments alone that must be reviewed. Earlier this year, Deacon projected that Judge Torres would give the summary judgment decision on or before May 6, putting an end to the dispute. But the judge hasn't ruled yet, so things didn't turn out the way he expected. Furthermore, Kitao Yoshitaka on Twitter, the chairman, president, and CEO of Japanese financial services giant SBI Holdings, highlighted Ripple's recent regulatory feat within the Asia-Pacific region. Specifically, Cattle shared with the Japanese crypto community that Ripple's Singapore subsidiary, APEC PT2 Ltd, had secured in-principle approval from the Monetary Authority of Singapore. Recent news articles have placed Ripple in the top 20 companies to receive regulatory permission for a major payments institution license. In particular, Ripple's ODSL service saw extraordinary growth globally in 2022, with a major number of transactions moving through Singapore, which is now made possible by the company's acquisition of a license to supply regulated products and services. Ripple's regional staff has increased by 100% in the last year due to the company's meteoric rise, with a particular emphasis on vital areas including business development, compliance, finance, legal, and sales. Recognizing Singapore's long-term position as a key hub for international finance and trade in the Asia-Pacific. The CEO of Ripple, Brad Garland House, was overjoyed to hear that his company had been granted an in-principle license. While highlighting Ripple's dedication to fostering a strong partnership for the growth and development of Singapore's digital assets ecosystem, Garland House praised him as for its leadership in establishing clear regulatory guidelines that recognize the innovation and real-world utility of digital assets. Under Chairman Yoshitaka Cattle's direction, SBI Holdings has developed a tight relationship with Ripple in appreciation of its leadership in enterprise blockchain and crypto solutions. SBI has been instrumental in spreading the word about Ripple solutions, especially in the realm of international money transfers. Formed in 2016, SBI Ripple Asia is the result of a strategic cooperation between SBI and Ripple. The goal of this partnership is to increase the availability of Ripple across Asia. SBI's respect for Ripple's accomplishments and their shared vision for the future of digital assets has only strengthened their partnership in light of the recent announcement of Ripple's regulatory certification in Singapore. So, today's burning question: how likely is a rally in the price of XRP? Don't miss out on being the first to know what's going on with XRP. Subscribe to our channel and enable push notifications now. As XRP failed to benefit from the recent market upswing, the bears have pushed it below the important psychological 50-cent level. Concerns have been raised in the market as a result of the capitulation of some XRP investors. According to a new analysis from Behavior Analytical Resource Sentiment, however, this pattern indicates that XRP is more likely than most assets to see a price rally in the near future. For this purpose, the settlement report looked at the correlation between the volume of chain transactions and the profit and loss indicator. The indicator suggests that the majority of market transactions are leaning towards the profit-taking zone. Positive results for these asset measure ratios suggest that most traders are cashing in their winnings. The Bitcoin to dollar ratio currently sits at 0.31. The ratio of Ethereum is 0.40. Litecoin has a ratio of 0.12/100. The Cardinals ratio is 0.03. However, XRP is currently experiencing a ratio of -0.26, indicating that most investors are suffering losses when trading XRP. Despite the alarm it caused, the general feeling is that this is a mildly bullish development. According to the behavior analytics platform, historical data suggests that a price rally often follows when a crypto asset experiences a period of losses and a higher number of unchained transactions resulting in losses. There was an uptick in last-taking trades before the January and March price spikes, as revealed by a comparison of the volume of XRP transactions on the chain to the profit and loss indicator. As of January 1st, the metric had dropped to a negative value of 0.7. This decline was followed by a price increase. On January 23, XRP recovered 43 cents due to this. On March 11th, the indicator dropped to a new low of -0.17. This drop sparked the XRP March rally, which saw the cryptocurrency's value increase to 58 cents by March 29th. Reasoning behind this pattern suggests that investors with weaker convictions are selling off their holdings in response to market volatility when a crypto asset has a larger ratio of losses to earnings. After the weaker market participants have given up or left, the supply pressure can be reduced, and the price may be able to recover. Meanwhile, the price of XRP has dropped to 47 cents. On June 22, following a decline from the 52 cents high, a bearish situation for XRP became apparent. This video has reached its conclusion. Viewers who have found it entertaining should give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to sign up and pay the subscription and alert fee. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.